According to the law, Newton's laws of motion, Newton's second law, the rate of change of momentum of a body directly proportional to the force acting on the body. ठीक है. सो मोमेंटम क्या होता है? मोमेंटम नथिंग जस्ट मास इनटू वेलोसिटी. आगे आने वाले चैप्टर्स में पढ़ेंगे. मोमेंटम इज मास इनटू वेलोसिटी. सो वी राइट मास इनटू वेलोसिटी एज मोमेंटम. मोमेंटम कैन बी रिटन एज p इक्वल टू mv. ओके. So momentum is according to the law, momentum is changing with respect to time. So we write, and it is equal to the force. So force equal to changing, it means d mv and by dt. So differentiating with respect to time, keeping mass constant and velocity constant. So it is v dm by dt plus m dv by dt. So we can now get force equal to m dv by dt plus v dm by dt. It's the formula now, the basic formula which can be used in case of mass varying and in case of velocity. But usually we use velocity varying. So force equal to mass into dv by dt, which is dv by dt is nothing just acceleration. So dv by dt is acceleration. So force equal to mass into acceleration. F equal to m is the correct formula of force. Thank you.